Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will see cam and follower animation. We will sketch each and every parts and we will animate these assemble parts. So let's see how to do it in Solidworks. Okay friends, let's start. Okay, first of all we will design the base. So select top plane, make it normal and sketch. Choose circle and draw two circle. Okay, now define the circle. 8 millimeter, 30 millimeter. Okay, now from feature extrude it up to 10 millimeter. Okay, now define color red. Okay, now save it. Okay, now we will design the cam piston and followers. So again choose top plane and sketch, draw a circle and define the circle 8 millimeter. Okay, from feature extrude it and extrude it up to 50 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, make it normal and go for sketch. Choose circle and draw a circle here and define it 20 millimeter. Okay, now from feature extrude it and extrude it up to 5 millimeter. Okay, now choose fillet and select this edge and fillet it up to 2.5 millimeter. Okay, now select right plane, make it normal and sketch. Again choose circle and draw a circle. Choose line, draw a line here. Okay, now trim entities and trim it. Okay, now from feature go extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 millimeter and from mid plane. Okay, now define color. Make it yellow. Okay, now save it. Piston. Now we will design the cam body and loop. So choose front plane, make it normal and sketch, draw a circle, okay, draw another circle here, choose center line and draw a center line. Again choose circle and draw circle. Now choose smart dimension and define these circles. 30, 10, 12. Okay, now choose 3-point arc. Okay, now select this line, press Ctrl and this circle and make them tangent. Again select this line and select this circle, make them tangent. Okay, now drag it. Okay, we need to define the distance between these two circles, so define it 30. Okay, now drag it. Okay, now choose mirror entities, arc, and mirror about this line. Okay, now choose trim entities and trim these unnecessary lines. Okay, now from feature go for extrude boss and base, choose mid plane and extrude it up to 12 millimeter. Okay, now define color. Okay, save it. Cam body and loop. We will design the cam base shaped. So choose front plane, make it normal and sketch, choose circle and draw a circle and define the circle 10 millimeter. Okay, and from feature extrude boss base and extrude it from mid plane and extrude it up to 30 millimeter. Okay, now define color, keep it green. Now save it. We will design the last part, spring. So choose front plane, make it normal and sketch, choose line and draw a line and define the line 23 millimeter. Okay, sketch out. Again choose front plane, make it normal and sketch, choose circle and draw a circle. Now choose center line and draw a center line. Select this line and make it horizontal. Okay, now choose dimension and define the distance 8 millimeter and this circle 2.5 millimeter. Okay, now from feature go for swift boss and base, select this circular path and from here choose this path. Okay, now option profile twist, select here, specify twist value and follow path, twist control, revolutions and put it for here and keep the dimension. Okay, and show preview. Okay, now see our spring is ready. So define color, keep it blue and save it. Spring. From here select assembly. Okay, now browse the base, keep it here. Okay, again insert components and browse the piston. Okay, drag it here, select this face, choose mate and this face, make their concentric relation. Okay, okay, again insert components, browse cam body and loop. drag it here. Now select this face and select this face and this face, made them coincident. Okay. Okay, we need some modification because our cam loop is larger than these followers. So select this body and open part. From here go to extruded and edit feature and put here 10 millimeter. Okay, now save it, close it, and yes, save it in assembly also. Now see, now from here insert components and choose the shaft, keep it here, select this face, go for mate and this concentric. Okay, now choose advanced mate with, select this face, and now this face and this. See, now it is in the center position. Okay, and now make it fix. Okay, now we will make some mechanical mates. So from here choose cam and select this. Okay, sorry, select cam and choose cam path, this face, and from cam follower this face. Okay, now see, the piston is rotating according to the cam loop. Okay, now make it flat and keep it little bit down. Okay, we need to fix them in the right place, so again make it fix. Okay, we are going to choose another relation. So from here choose front plane and shaft right plane and go for mate and make them coincident. Okay, now see, now again make it fix. Now see, it's rotating but the piston is not moving away and it's just going ups and down. Now insert components and browse and select spring. Okay, put it here, select this line and choose this line and go for mate and make them concentric. Okay, now select this line, at first close it, select this line and edit sketch. Now select this point and this point, make them coincident. Okay, there are some problems, so at first delete it, make them coincident and select this point and this point and keep the distance 3. Okay, Now from spring, sweep and select this sketch 2 and edit sketch. Make it normal. Now select this circle, press Ctrl and this, make them tangent. Okay, now sketch out. Okay, now hide this line. Okay, so okay, now from here select motion manager, choose motion study and keep here animation. From here choose the frame per second 25. Okay, okay, now select the motor here and keep the RPM 20 RPM. Okay, show it. Now drag it up to 12 seconds. Okay, now go for calculate. See, it's calculating. It will take some moment. I hope you like my videos, so please don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel to get more videos about Solidworks design and project. So now drag it down and play. Now see, okay, now if you want you can save it. From save animation, choose file location, edit file name and keep the ratio 16:9 and save and keep it Microsoft Video 1, make it unselect and okay, and again it will calculate and save it. Okay, thank you.